So this is the watch hour I was able to get by copying a content creator on my niche. All right, I have gotten over 700 watch hours on this particular one video that I copied from my competitors. All right, and then I've gotten 14.3k watch hours on this video, and also I have gotten 625 subscribers from these same videos. All right, from this same video. All right, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the secret of everything, of how I did it, how I copied a top content creator on my niche before I was able to get the results on my channel. I know that some of you will say, this small watch hour, people are getting 1k 4k watch hours, but don't worry, I am grateful for this one. So I'm going to be sharing with you everything I did, how I did it, how I did the thumbnail, how I came about the title and everything before this video started doing well. And mind you, this video did not start doing well immediately I posted it. It started picking up like 1 month ago, but I have done this video for like 5 months ago on my own channel. Do you understand? And this video started picking up some months ago, let me say 1 month ago. So anytime you do a video or you copy your top content creator, don't worry, that video will still do it. Or any video you do on your channel at all, don't worry, just do it and keep. All right, one day that video will pick up, do you understand, and start doing very well. So now let me go and share with you how I did everything, guys. So this is the ladies channel that I copied from before I was able to get the amount of views. All right, so what I did was to come to her YouTube channel. I think as of that time that she posted or made this video was like 5 months ago as well. Do you understand? So once you come to the person's channel, click on the videos. Once you click on the videos, you will see popular. Do you understand? Go ahead and click on the popular. Now if you check this channel, she has made some videos that has done very well, but these ones are some years back, some years ago. Do you understand? So all you need to do is to scroll down. This lady has done a lot of videos. Do you understand? So all you need to do is to scroll down and check for the most recent video that she has made that did very well. Although this our channel has copyright strike, so our videos are not doing very well for now. Do you understand? Till the strike is over. So all you need to do is to come over to our channel, copy the video that is doing very well on our channel, and go and do exactly as you've seen. Just add your own tweak and then do it. All right, this is a video I copied from her. Do you understand? She titled it "New Way to Get 1000 Subscribers Using Chrome Only," and this is a thumbnail. This was how she created hers. Do you understand? And she got up to 45,000 views. I think as of that time of me copying this video, she got 15,000 views in 3 days. So I was like, why not me recreating it on my own way? Do you understand? So that was how I recreated this video on my channel. All right, so now let me just go and share with you how I did my thumbnail, how I come about the title and everything. Do you understand? So now after creating the video, now let me start with the title. Now I titled the video as "Fastest Way to Get 1000 Subscribers Using Chrome Only," while she titled her own as "Newest Way to Get 1000 Subscribers Using Chrome Only." That's why I said that you must not copy exactly word to word what that person has done on their own channel. Just add your own words, add your own tweak to it. Do you understand? So I was just like, let me just change that "newest" to "fastest." Do you understand? So I went ahead to title the video "Fastest Way to Get 1000 Subscribers Using Chrome Only." Do you understand? Now by the thumbnail, I was like, how am I going to do this thing? And I saw that there was a Chrome logo on my own thumbnail as well. Although my own is not round, like that is how it's supposed to be. I just went on Google Chrome and then type Chrome logo, then they showed me, and I just like screenshotted it and then cut out this part, like let me say edit and cut out this part from it to use for my thumbnail. Do you understand? And I saw that anytime I create thumbnail like this, the video normally do well. So I was like, instead of me to copy a thumbnail or change some things on a thumbnail, let me just use this my thumbnail style that I used to use. As you can see, I said get 1k subs in 2 hours using Google Chrome browser, and then I top it up as use Chrome only. Do you understand? So I just tweak it like this, and then I posted it that time. Do you understand? So now I'm going to be going to my InShot browser to share with you how exactly I did this my thumbnail. Do you understand? But if at all you don't know how to get a good title for that particular video that you want to do, come to Meta AI or ChatGPT and type how your video is like. Do you understand? For example, this is a video I made on how to get 1,000 subscribers. I can even tell it 4,000 watch hours. You understand? So all I did was to all you need to do is to come to your Meta AI or ChatGPT and type, please give me a good, I will say, give me a title, description and tags on the video where I was talking about how to get 1,000 subscribers, that is subs, using Chrome. Do you understand? So once you send it, you see the tags, the title and the description that this Meta AI will give you. As you can see, Meta AI has given me a lot of title, like 3 titles and some descriptions as well. As you can see, say unlock the secret, how to get 1,000 subscribers, YouTube subscribers using Chrome hack, boost your YouTube subscribers to get in no time, get 1,000 subs fast, Chrome extension tips for YouTube success. And these are the description that this, Meta AI has given me. I think I use the description. For the description, I use Meta AI description, I think so. And these are the tags that Meta AI has generated for me as well. So if you don't know how to get your title or description after copying from your top content creators, feel free to come to Meta AI or ChatGPT to get your title, your descriptions and your tags. Meta AI can also give you a good thumbnail idea as well. If you don't want to use any of this one, you can use vidIQ. There's an app called vidIQ that you can actually use to get all of these things as well. So this is for the title, descriptions and the tags as well. So now the next thing for you to think about is your thumbnail as well. You have to do a thumbnail that will captivate or capture the hearts of people to click on that video to watch in the first instance. Now I used to do my thumbnails from InShot. Do you understand? So for the thumbnail, all I did was to take a screenshot of my video that was already playing, like that particular video that I wanted to use as a thumbnail. Do you understand? I'm telling you exactly what I did on that video, how I did the thumbnail and everything. Do you understand? So all I did was to take a screenshot of that particular video. Do you understand? Because I needed to use the background of the video and my face there. So go ahead and take a screenshot of the video that you want to use, and then you come to, and then you crop everything, edit everything well. Do you understand? Then click on the crop and then crop out the parts that are not necessary out of the place. Do you understand? Crop out the parts that are not needed. So once you are done, you go ahead and click on save. Once you click on save, you come to your InShot browser. Once you come to your InShot browser, you click on the photo. Do you understand? Once you click on the photo, you click on new. Once you click on the new, you go ahead and look for the screenshot that you've saved from that video. Do you understand? This was exactly everything I did to get my thumbnail and everything. Do you understand? So now I have brought in the screenshots from my own video. Do you understand? So now after putting in the screenshots, then the next thing I did was to think of what to put on the video. I'm just using this video, I'm just using this screenshot as an example. This was not the particular video that I used for that video. Do you understand? So now what I did was, since she said Chrome, I was like, let me click on the text and I just went ahead to add use Chrome browser. Drag it up here, then you click on the good. All right, so once you click on the good, then I'll go ahead and write get 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours using Chrome. I'm going to drag it a bit and drag it to this point. And drag it to this point Do you understand? You can change the colors as well. Do you understand? If you don't like the colors, go ahead and change the colors. So this is, just make it a little bit bold so that people will be able to see it very fast and click on it. So if you don't like the color, you go ahead and click on this edit here, this icon, you click on edit again. Do you understand? And you click on this rainbow stuff here that is here. Once you click on it, these are the colors, so you can actually change to any color of your choice. Do you understand? You can change to any color that will be, that you think that will attract people to watch that particular video. Do you understand? Make sure the color is very catchy, very sharp. Do you understand? So after adding it, all I need to do was to add the Chrome browser. This was not exactly what I did though, but I'm just using it as an example. Do you understand? Do you understand? So make sure this your write-up is very sharp. Do you understand? This color is not even sharp enough if really I wanted to use it for a video. Do you understand? I'm just using this one as an example. So the next thing I did was to bring in the Chrome logo. Do you understand? So I went ahead to click on PIP. Where's PIP? Where are you? I click on the PIP. I already have the Chrome logo on my phone, so I'm going to go ahead and look for it. Okay, as you can see, this is the Chrome logo that I screenshotted from Google. Do you understand? Just go ahead and type what's it called, Chrome logo, and it will show you different one. All I need was to just screenshot it. Screenshot is not the best idea. There's another best way you can do that. It will be that round shape. I'm going to be sharing with you maybe in my next video. Do you understand? So you go ahead and click on it. So once it appears, you drag it to the point that you want. Do you understand? You drag it to the point that you want, then you keep it at any level that you want. Do you understand? So as you can see, I have brought in the Chrome logo, telling them that this was what I used to get the 1000 subscribers. Do you understand? So this was exactly what I did. The thumbnail, the title, and everything. Do you understand? Before I was able to get this result on this particular video that I'm sharing with you. All right, so after bringing in everything, you have to adjust it, you have to brighten it, you know, to catch the attention of people, thereby you have to lighten it. Do you understand? So you click on that place and then you click on lighting. You click on lighting, you adjust. Once you are done, you click on saturation too. It will give the face a kind of facelift. Do you understand? You drag it forward a little, then you come up again, sharpen. You have to sharpen the video, very important. The thumbnail, I mean, you click or you drag it a bit forward. Don't make everything like too porous, like let me say too outrageous. Do you understand? Everything should be moderate. Do you understand? So after doing all of these things, you go ahead and click on this good. Do you understand? Once you click on this good, once you are done creating your thumbnail, you can add anything at all here. So once you are done, you click on this export. There's a new way I've learned to create thumbnail as well that is better than this. I'm going to be sharing with you in my maybe in my next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to grow on YouTube. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.